What is up? My name is Dave Thompson, and welcome to the Protect Young Eyes YouTube channel. As always, we understand that parenting in the digital age is extremely tough. So what we want to do is we want to help you create a safer digital environment there in your home. And the best way to keep up on the latest information is to subscribe to our YouTube channel. On today's video, we will be reviewing the Houseparty app, what it is, what you need to know about it, and how to use it safely. Now, ultimately, the Houseparty app is just a really fun way to have a group video chat. Think of it like FaceTime, but with up to 8 people on the screen at once. Now, each time you open the app, all of your friends get a notification saying that you are in the house, and that allows them to then start a video chat with you. For a more private experience, you can actually click the lock button at the bottom of the screen, which basically locks the room, preventing anyone else from joining the chat that you're in. It's a nice feature because one problem with this app is any friend of any user in a chat room can actually join a chat room if it's not locked. And this means that your kid could actually come in contact with people that they don't know. One good feature about this app is that whenever a person who is not your direct friend enters a chat room, it actually gives you a warning. And that gives you the opportunity to either exit the chat or to stay in and meet someone new. Like a lot of social media apps, a popular trend is having side conversations that ultimately disappear. And so one feature in this is to have a side text where you can send either text messages or pictures that disappear after 24 hours. Each Houseparty user has a unique invite code that can be accessed by clicking the plus sign at the top of the screen. From there, you can click Invite New Friend, which will bring up a text message with your unique invite code already in the message. A common question we often get is, can my kid use the Houseparty app to view pornography? And the good news is we were unable to find any hidden browsers. Even when clicking into the privacy policy, it kicks you over to Safari, which follows Apple's restrictions if they are set. And for more information on setting up iOS and Android restrictions, please look for a link to our tutorials in the description. One concern that you need to be aware of is that Houseparty is a live streaming app, which means your kids need to be aware of privacy risks. When setting up your account, it asks you to grant access to both the microphone and camera. Now, any app that has a chat feature does run the risk of predatory activity, as well as any action that your kid takes on this app can be recorded by other users. One big frustration for us is there are absolutely no parental controls. However, if you are using an Android device, Bark can monitor the notes feature on the Houseparty app. For more information on Bark and other third-party parental control apps, please click the link in the description. The big question is it safe? And to be honest, based on the risks, we're warm to high schoolers actually using the app as long as you've taken the time to explain a few things to them. There are 2 major things that your kid needs to know before using the app. And the first thing is what to do if a stranger enters your chat room. They're going to get the notification, and what we want to make sure that they understand is strangers are not necessarily people we want to interact with, especially digitally. So you want to make sure that they know that they need to get out of that chat room. Or better yet, it's probably best to actually go ahead and lock every room as soon as you enter into it. The second thing is the importance of good behavior in a live situation that can be recorded. Again, every action that your kid does on this application can be recorded by other users. And whenever it's recorded, it's often shared. And I'm sorry, but the internet really never forgets. So the question is can your kid be trusted to make the right choices? For more free resources on how to create a safer digital environment for your family, please visit our website at protectyoungeyes.com. I hope that this video was able to help you make an informed decision as to whether or not your kid should use this app. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, thank you for joining us.